D classes. The series of videos which are made from class 10 social science subject, and in this video you are going to study about geography subject, and in geography the chapter is manufacturing industries. So within this chapter, the content which are being given by NCERT for the board examination, I will be giving this content in a mode of topic or questions, so you can easily understand about how the board can ask the question, what are the presumption of the board. So you will not find any kind of difficulties to understand the topics which are being prescribed by the board for the term 2 or term 1 examination for the respective geography chapters. So in this manufacturing industry, the first topic to discuss is what is the importance of manufacturing industries. If a country is having industrial sector strong, industrial sector can be known as secondary sector. So if the secondary sector is strong, so how could it yield or increase the country's benefit? So you can see here now, I have given the whole paragraph which have been given in NCERT to a specific words. So you need to just learn this word and make sentence upon this. So what is that? The importance of manufacturing industry is what is that? Modernizing agriculture. The agriculture of that country will be modernized, which form the backbone of economy. So the word is clear. Then eradication of poverty, that means removal. Eradication means removal of poverty and unemployment. Unemployment is also being removed. Then export of the manufacturing goods. That means if the manufacturer are being within the country, so they will be exporting these goods. Okay. Then make country prosperous. What is that? The country will be prosperous and it will be happy and also will wealthy also. So these topics are very easy explained by me, and I request you all to share and subscribe this video to as many as possible.